Hey traders, John Howell here. We're going to be looking at the markets today. Sorry for my voice. If you watched yesterday's video, you know why my voice is gone. But anyway, let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, so who did the roll with me? Give me a Y in the chat box, or give me a yes in the comment section if you at least tried the roll that I did yesterday. Give me a little yes. Give me yes roll or something like that in the comment section below, right? Give me, especially for you young guys out there, right? I want to see you guys give me the roll. Just sometimes you may want to warm your voice box up first before you start to go full bolt with your voice box. I didn't do that. I should have at least warmed my voice box up. Anyway, looking at the markets today, guys, got a little bit of a bounce. Something I was talking about yesterday. Actually, for the last couple of days, I've been saying that we've been going down for quite some time. And we're pretty far away from the moving average, so it does look like that we're probably going to get some form of a bounce here. I wouldn't want to try to go short here because I'm expecting some form of a bounce here. And so as you can see, and I talked about having the maximum distance away. You can see how that looking at the Dow Jones, you can see how we're very far away from the 52 now, very far away. That means it's that elastic band has been stretched, and we're probably going to have a bit of a snapback. Maybe even, now not a change in trend, okay? Not a change in trend. All it's probably going to be, if we do get some sort of a rally, we're probably going to be up like this here, wait for the moving average to start come back down, and then probably come back down and then I see this thing coming back down to these lows down here. And same for the Nasdaq as well too, traders, is that we have a very strong move up and a very strong move down. Give me a roll. So again, if we do get a bit of a bounce, which we're probably going to get a bit of a bounce out of the markets because we're pretty far away from the moving average, just to wait for things to time up, right? Or we may even just go sideways, right? We may even just do something like this and wait for the moving average to start to come up a little bit. And then we start to see a very, 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 very strong movement on the downside, right? And same for the S&P 500, same sort of thing as well too. Moving average is actually going up through here. Very strong move up, very strong move down. So if we do get some form of a bounce through here, guys, then it's probably going to be very, 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 if we do get a bit of a bounce, it's not a change in trend. It's either going to do something like this and then a breakdown, scenario number one, or scenario number two, which is what I'm looking at, is a bit of a rally through here, market coming down, and then we start to come down through there, right? So I'm not expecting this to be a change in trend. In fact, I'm expecting this to be a continuation of a much bigger move. And the same thing, I'm expecting to see a 2,200 print coming in the S&P. Now, timing, 2023. There you go. When's that going to happen, John? 2023. When? 2023. In 2023. I believe we're going to get down there in 2023, okay? Looking at some of these markets through here, guys, we can see just, say the XLF, pretty flat moving average once again, and the markets come down through here. So any short-term bounce, we're probably going to start to see a rolling over of the moving average, but not much going on through there. Home builder index, again, not much going on through there as well. The transportation average got a bit of a flush down through here. So I wouldn't be too surprised once again to see a bit of a bounce. Let the moving average start to catch up and then start to see another roll over from there. Moving over, big movement in gold and metals. But here is the big thing about gold right now, traders, right? Something that I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, here we go, right? The metals. Something about the metals that is so important to understand is that this has happened before in the past, okay? So we don't know whether this is going to be a bottom or not. But look at this here. Every time we had this high, lower high, lower high, and lower high, and look what happened. Look at the moving average. Strong down. Strong down. Look what happened. Every time we got a rally, we got a knock down. Rally, knock down. We're getting a rally, and look where the moving average is right now. So there's a high probability that we're going to rally here, and we're going to get knocked down. We're going to get knocked down again. Now, if for some reason we start to get some sort of V bottom out of this, right? If we start to get something like this coming on like that, where we get some sort of what we call V bottom, straight down and then straight back up, what we're looking for is what we're looking for is then possibly we're probably going to get the moving average then flattening out through here and then possibly starting to turn around and then starting a new upward trend. So we'll have to wait. If that does happen, we'll see what happens there. But for right now, this is just a pullback, right? Pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend in the markets through there. Looking at silver though, silver's actually doing something different. You can see silver's actually just been flat through here. We made a small little higher low with a very strong up bar. So silver's doing actually something quite different here when it comes to the patterns in the markets, right? We're just sitting here and high, lower high, lower high, lower high, but now we're just going over sideways and we've got a very big up bar. So we definitely do have a lot of resistance around that $21 level. And you can see we're just really going overall sideways. If I go to my weekly charts here, you can see how the trend is still pretty strong on the downside. So even if we did get a bit of a rally, there's very, very, very sort of strong resistance around that $22 level up through there on this weekly chart. So that'll be the big key area for me. Looking at the mining sector here, the mining sector is really trying to capture a bit of a bid through here. Last week, I was actually expecting the mining sector to rally because we have been coming down for quite some time, but it didn't happen. So now we're starting to get a bit of a bid through there. If we have a look at, say, NEM, as an example, look at NEM. Yeah, you can see we have a strong moving average, but you can see it's just really just the mining sector has been pretty flat through. So we're not getting anything too clear yet with the mining sector, but we are still very on the downward side. Let's look at the GDXJ. We are still very much on the downward side, and same for the SIL as well too, making these lower highs. And now we're starting to get like a bit of a short-term rally through here. So this is probably going to be like a bit of a short-term bottom on the SIL. So if we did get a bit of a rally, remember where we are on these weekly charts, right? Look at this weekly chart here. We have a high, lower high, lower high. If the market does start to rally from where we are right now, say on the SIL, which is 25.51, and we start to make a move up, remember where we are, right? Down, up, down, up, down, up, and we're probably going to see something like that as well. So that's what I'm looking at through there, traders. Just a quick little update on some of the cryptocurrencies right now for you cryptocurrency guys. Let's go have a look here. So as you can see right now, we are still on a very big downward move through here. And this, once again, traders, if we do get a very big, strong breakdown bar, this thing is about to be one of the greatest trades I've ever seen this year come around. And so we are starting to see the moving average starting to slow down. We're getting this sideways movement. If indeed we do get something like that, traders, then it's all over for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is absolutely just about to get demolished, get destroyed. I believe that is coming, but again, I'm not trading it now. I'm not going to preempt, right? We wait for the rules to set up, and then we go from there. Same for Ethereum as well too, right? Ethereum is actually holding strong here. So if Ethereum does actually break this level through that sort of 1,200 level, then we're probably going to make our way back down towards this level through here, which is around that sort of 900 level from there. So there's a bit of an update for you guys, and I'll speak to you real soon.
Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new Breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new Breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.